Okay. Right now we are in troisième section. This is one of the communes in the city Washabato where the hurricane hit extremely hard. And we are here today to meet with these people because they are so far away from the main city. They could not, we could not drive to them to bring them some food. However, with our small resources, limited resources, we have met with them and we give them a little money so they can go and buy what the things that they need. The money amount wasn't so big, it wasn't so much. It's an Haitian dollar, which is $30, which probably equivalent to approximately 3 to 4 US dollars. So, but they are very happy. As you can see, they're all of them behind us right now. And so those people are very friendly, very strong people, even though their house are limited. And how they're surviving when the tree or the bananas fall down, they dig the soil, they put it under the ground, and now they are able to use it. However, in the next couple of months, things gonna be very hard because those food are not gonna stay very long. So they're gonna be able to, they won't have a lot of in their hands. So what I talk to them about is asking them what are the things that very important for them for the next 3 months. So they are talking about getting some plants so they can maybe corns, aubergine, what we call any crops that can be ready in the next 3 months so they can prepare their soil so they can get it ready for them. So those are the things that I have to share with you today. Thank you so much. I would like to be online. However, there is no internet connection. That's why I'm not online right now. But anyway, you have the video. You can see it for yourself. Thank you very much. Et moi dis tout le monde encore, merci en pile pour journée ça. Je connais nous toutes bien activités nous t'a réglé, mais nous t'ai bon petit temps pour me déjeuner avec nous. Ça fait un plaisir en pile. Merci, merci, merci en pile.
Et nous remercions. Merci. Bon voyage.